Well, first off, you gotta say good job to Pierce Brown getting his first overall win or first win, whatever it was. I think it was first overall win, and what a way to do it! Las Vegas, SMX finals, all the points and everything. Deegan going for the sweep, and he just comes out and looks super fast. And I mean, good for him because he was pretty much the only gas or Husqvarna out there that looked like they were doing anything. But that's not the point of this. In the middle of I think it was Moto 2, maybe I'm wrong about that, somebody correct me. One of the announcers, I think it's RC, was saying, made a little rumor or said there's a rumor going around that he'll be on the same bike as Deegan next year. And I highly doubt that means Deegan's going to Gas. So it sounds like Pierce Brown is going to Yamaha. Now maybe I missed this. Somebody I was talking to said, "Yeah, they announced that in Supercross," but I was like, "I don't remember that." And also, that was who knows how long ago now, 5 6 months ago. Like that's a long time, but it's kind of funny that they would go. I don't know how to say out of their way, but they would go on national television and put out a rumor of where a rider is going to be going. I can understand it, seeing a podcast or in a interview or something, but not on like the full commentator broadcast. Just to me, it struck me kind of funny that they would come out and say something like that. Not that there's anything wrong with it. Like it's kind of fun to talk about things that are going on outside the sport or in the sport, but outside the realm of the actual race at the moment when things aren't actually happening exciting. Well, not not exciting, but when nobody's getting passed or there's just kind of a minute in the race, like if you can sit there and talk about, hey, yeah, this guy's going here or he's going there, whatever. I think it's kind of neat. And I don't know, comment down below, tell me, you guys, did you know about this? Have you heard this? Did I miss this in Supercross and or hear it and just forget it? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.